Sculptra is for volumization, and it's also for rejuvenation of the skin, but primarily we're using for volumization. Where is Sculptra best for? Best places are typically more in areas that people don't traditionally think of for facial fillers. Lack of volume in our temples, our lateral cheeks, our faces start losing volume, particularly posteriorly and around the posterior part of our jawline. We start losing volume here, which means you may not notice how hollow you look, but you may see lines like here. Your nasolabial folds, your marionettes, you might see more facial lines or your smile lines here. You might feel empty here. We can actually use Sculptra in some of those areas, but more importantly back here to really support and lift, and your body does it naturally. So that's a cool thing too. So what does that mean? It doesn't work right away. So Sculptra takes a little bit. So it's one of those delayed gratification things that we have in life. But over time, your body will build up volume, will build up collagen, and you will start to get a rejuvenated glow.